So hello everyone, welcome back once again. I hope you have understood and finished your maths work. So while we write 11 and 12, the two digits 1, 1 in different box which I have explained you have understood that? Great. So from now, no one is going to write two digits in one single box. Clear? Okay. So now moving towards our EVS class, and that is, which topic we are doing in EVS? The topic is related to something we should eat every day. Yes, you have colored it in previous class. Fruits, very good. So you remember, or you have seen the pictures on board? You must have seen that. Okay, good. But that is also your smartness, isn't it? So my dear ones are getting smarter day by day. Very good. So now moving towards the topic of fruits. Beta, in your previous class we have done about colors and taste of fruit. है ना? Like mango is yellow, it is sweet in taste. Then we have apple, red from outside, white from inside, sweet in taste. Banana, yellow from outside. When we peel it, it comes out to be white in color. It is also sweet in taste. So like this we have learnt about many fruits and their color and taste as well, है ना? हमने fruits में color भी किया and then we have learnt कि उनके taste कैसे होते हैं. Some fruits are coming these days. So are you eating fruits or not? You are eating them? Very good. So जब तक आप उन्हें taste नहीं करोगे, how will you come to know कि what is their taste? So always eat fruits, all the new fruits. मम्मा जो भी fruit देती हैं, you should eat them. जब तक आप उन्हें खाएंगे नहीं, how will you come to know what is the taste of that fruit? So it's a part of your homework also. जब आपको ma'am is asking you, okay fine, tell me what is the taste of apple, आप कैसे बताओगे जब अगर आपने apple खाया ही नहीं होगा तो, है ना? So taste all the fruits. Clear? So what we are going to do today? Today we are going to learn about fruits and their seeds. यानी कि fruits के अंदर जो seeds होती हैं या जो बीज होते हैं उनके बारे में हम आज पढ़ने वाले हैं. Okay? So first of all, what is a seed? Seed is बीज जिससे वो fruit बनता है. Clear everyone? अब whenever you are eating any fruit, जब भी आप कोई fruit खाते हो, you first wash it. That I have told you. Wash your fruit, cut it, then cut in small piece, take in a bowl and eat with a fork. ऐसे ही खाते हैं ना? मम्मा से बोलते हैं मम्मा इसको छोटे छोटे पीसेस में कट कर दो and then you eat with the help of a fork. What is a fork? कांटा. Yes. Either a fruit fork or a toothpick. हम उसी से खाते हैं अपने fruits. Okay. So when you are cutting your fruit, you will find, don't cut yourself. Whenever mama is cutting the fruit, तो आप देखना. ठीक है, sit there with mama and see कि some fruits are having only one seed. कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें सिर्फ one seed होती है. कुछ fruits ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें seeds नहीं होते. They don't have any seeds. And some fruits that have many seeds. मतलब बहुत सारी seeds होती हैं. Clear? So today we are going to learn about this only. First we'll identify the fruits and then I will tell you कि जब आप उन्हें कट करेंगे तो उनके अंदर की सीड्स हमें कैसे पता लगेंगी. Clear? Shall we begin? Okay. So can you identify the first picture I have here? What picture is this? Which fruit is this? It's an apple. है ना? A crunchy, juicy apple. I always say apples really taste great when they are crunchy and juicy. So it's an apple. Now first, if you are having an apple and you want to eat that apple, so what you will do? First you will take that apple and wash it thoroughly. अच्छे से उसको rub करना है, ऐसे rub करके उसको wash करना है. Clear? So first we have washed the fruit. Now give it to mama and ask her, mama please cut it. Okay? So first you will ask mama. अब when mama cut it, सबसे पहले mama क्या करते हैं, उसको center में से cut करते हैं. So the first thing, when she cuts from the center, अंदर से हमें एप्पल कैसे दिखता है? Something like this, isn't it? जब ये मम्मा ने एप्पल को लिया and she cut it, तो क्या आया? ये हमें एप्पल ऐसे हाफ एप्पल है ये. जब हमने उसको हाफ में कट किया, so this is what we look. हमें ये मिलता है। सो कैन यू टेल मी वेयर आर द सीड्स? हमें इस एप्पल में सीड्स कहाँ दिखाई दे रहे हैं? हियर इन द सेंटर। सेंटर में कुछ ऐसा होता है ना जिसमें हमें हल्का सा ब्राउनिश कलर के छोटे छोटे से पिप्स दिखते हैं, सीड्स, जिनको हम पिप कहते हैं, पर इट पिप। सो दे आर स्मॉल सीड्स। क्लियर? सो यहाँ पे वो एक होते हैं या बहुत सारी होती है सीड्स? टेल मी इफ यू हैव ईटन एप्पल, अगर आप सच्ची में फ्रूट्स खा रहे हो तो आपको पता होगा। सो एप्पल इज हैविंग वन सीड और मेनी सीड्स? एप्पल इज हैविंग मेनी सीड्स। कैन यू सी? आई हैव ड्रॉन मेनी सीड्स हियर। इस छोटे से होल में बहुत सारी सीड्स होती हैं। एक्चुअली इट्स नॉट अ होल, यहाँ पे सारे सीड्स कलेक्ट होते हैं। सो व्हेन ममा कट्स इट, हमें ये ऐसे दिखता है। फिर मम्मा इसके स्लाइसेस निकालती है और जिस पार्ट में ये पोर्शन आता है हम उसको निकाल देते हैं। वी कट इट आउट एंड देन वी ईट, बिकॉज वी डोंट ईट द सीड्स। हम सीड्स नहीं खाते आपके लिए। क्लियर एवरीवन? देयर आर सम फ्रूट्स हम जिनकी सीड्स खा लेते हैं, बट सम फ्रूट्स आर देयर वी डोंट ईट देयर सीड्स। Okay, so apple is one, we have to remove the seeds. And how many seeds are there in apple? Many seeds. One नहीं होती, many होती है, इसमें ज़्यादा seeds होती है, so we call it many seeds. Clear everyone? And where you get the seeds? When you cut the apple in half, तो हमें ये center में मिलती है इस तरह से। Okay class? Okay now. Moving to the next fruit. So which fruit is this class? It's a mango. Which fruit is this? It's a mango. So when you are eating a mango, what do you do it? Again you wash it, then we peel it, then we slice it, है ना? Slice करने के बाद हमें कुछ ऐसा दिखता है। Can you see this one big seed जो थोड़ी सी whitish ऑफ वाइट कलर की होती है, क्रीम कलर की? जब उसके ऊपर से सारा मैंगो पल्प हटा देते हैं तो वो थोड़ा सा ऐसे येलोइश या व्हाइटिश कलर की होती है, बट इट इज वन बिग इन साइज। वन होती है और बिग इन साइज होती है। दैट मीन्स अप्रॉक्सीमेटली जितना बड़ा हमारा मैंगो होता है, दैट इज द साइज ऑफ योर सीड ऑल्सो। क्लियर एवरीवन? सो मैंगो इज द फ्रूट दैट हैव ओनली वन सीड। एप्पल में मेनी होती है एंड मैंगो इज हैविंग ओनली वन सीड। Now tell me, we eat the seed or we don't? No, we don't. We don't eat the seed. हम इसको remove कर देते हैं, है ना? Remove कर देते हैं ना हम इस seeds को? इस seed को, seeds नहीं, only one है, तो इस seed को भी हम हटा देते हैं and we throw it away. Clear? So mango, the king of all the fruits, is having only one seed. Yes, very good class. Now, can you tell me which fruit is this? So can you tell me which fruit is this? Watermelon. Very good class. I told you, you are getting smarter now. So which fruit is this? It's a watermelon. So watermelon को हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? What we call it? तरबूज. Yes, आप खाते हो तरबूज? You eat it? Okay. So can you tell me when we cut the watermelon, how many seeds come out? Many seeds. Yes, बहुत सारी seeds आती हैं, छोटी छोटी, वो ब्लैक कलर की, है ना? जब हम वाटरमेलन खाते हैं वो हमारे माउथ में आ जाती है, then we have to spit them out, हम उन्हें बाहर निकालते हैं। So watermelon is the fruit that has many seeds. तो जब हम कट करते हैं, ये ग्रीन कलर हो गया हमारा आउटर शेल एंड दिस इज द रेड फ्रूट पार्ट। जो इनर पल्प होता है वो रेड फ्रूट, जो रेड कलर का होता है, उसमें बहुत सारी क्या होती है? ब्लैक सीड्स होती हैं, है ना? एंड वी रिमूव देम व्हेन वी ईट। सो वाटरमेलन इज द फ्रूट दैट हैज मेनी सीड्स एंड व्हाट वी डू, वी remove all these seeds when we eat the watermelon. Clear? And what is the color of seeds? They are black or white in color. कुछ seeds बहुत कम होती है white. Most of the seeds are black in color, but there are few seeds, hardly 10 to 12 seeds जो कभी-कभी white निकल जाती हैं. Clear? So one is watermelon now. Okay. Moving to the next fruit, it's a papaya. Papaya, you remember what is the color of papaya? Yes, it is orangish and yellow in shade. and it's a sweet fruit. ये बहुत tasty होता है खाने में, and it is very good for our stomach also. When we are having some stomach problem, stomach pain हो रहा है या something like that, if you are eating papaya, you will feel better. Clear? So now, when you cut this papaya को cut करने के बाद क्या होगा? You will find a hole like this. एक छोटा सा hole होगा, थोड़ा सा अंदर की तरफ को, and you will find a lot of seeds in this hole. पूरे papaya भी नहीं होगी, सिर्फ इस hole में होती है seeds. Clear? And they are black in color. Black color के छोटे छोटे दाने होते हैं. Clear? So papaya is the fruit that has many seeds. But papaya के seeds भी we throw them away. We don't eat the seeds of papaya. Clear all? Now you will say कि मैम सारे seeds throw करते हैं. हम तो किसी fruit के seed नहीं खाते. There is a fruit like what I can say an example of strawberry. आपने strawberry में color किया था. You remember I told you there are some seeds outside. लेकिन हम उन्हें remove नहीं करते. जो बाहर हमें दाने दिखते हैं वो क्या है? Those are seeds and we eat them. So strawberry is a fruit जिसके हम seeds खा सकते हैं. Clear? But these are the fruits whose seeds we cannot eat. अब ये हो गया. That we have apricot. Apricot एक fruit है जिसको when you cut you will find one almond like seed in it. लेकिन हम उसे throw करते हैं. We don't eat that. And apricot also have only one seed. Then we have banana and grapes. They don't have any seed. इनमें कोई seed होती ही नहीं है. Clear? And if we go beyond and we talk about guava, I told you. Guava किसको कहते हैं? First of all, tell me which fruit is called guava? Amrood. Yes, amrood is a fruit, or you can say guava is a fruit whose seeds we can eat sometimes. Sometimes we can eat their seeds also. Clear all? So what I want to tell you is there are lot of fruits which we have learnt about in our previous class also, and today I have taught you that all these fruits have seeds. Some don't have, but some fruits have one seed, like mango have one seed, apricot has one seed. Then there are some fruits they have many seeds, जिनमें बहुत सारी seeds होती हैं, like we have apple, then we have watermelon, we have papaya, we have guava. So these are fruits that have many seeds. Clear everyone? So to make it more clear, what you can do is whichever fruit you are eating, I told you eat one fruit every day. So whichever fruit you are eating, ask your mother to cut it in front of you and see whether that fruit is having one seed or many seeds. Clear all? Okay. Now moving towards work. So today you are going to do work on book page number 49. So this is the one which you are going to do today. Clear? As your classwork. So this is your classwork, book page number 49, and how you have to do this work I'll show you. After watching it, complete your work. Okay? Class, now open your Environmental Studies book 1. Okay? And in this book, I have told you we are going to do page number 49. So, what I have taught you today, we have learnt about seeds. Ma'am ने आपको बताया ना which fruit is having how many seeds. So, what we have to do, we are going to match them. But first, we will write today's date, that is 10th August 2020, and this is our classwork. Clear? Okay. So, what is this? It's a papaya. So, can you find the half papaya? I have shown you on the board drawing the picture. जब हम papaya को बीच में से ऐसे half करेंगे, so how will it look like? It will look like this. So, what we are going to do? We are going to match them. So, I am using color pencils, different colors for all the pictures, so that it is easy to identify or to check them. So like this, I'll join it. Clear everyone? Now, can you tell me what is this? Which fruit is this? It's an apple. Yes. So what is the color of apple? Apple is red in color. Now, can you tell me how many seeds are there in apple? Apple has many seeds like this. So this is the picture of half apple. Now what we are going to do? We are going to match them like this. So take a different color and match it like this. Clear all? Okay. Now which fruit is this? It's a mango. So can you tell me how many seeds are there in a mango? Mango has only one seed. So now can you identify half mango? Can you identify the picture of half mango? This is the one. So we are going to match it like this. Clear? Okay, now moving to the next fruit. Which fruit is this? It's a watermelon. And where is the half watermelon? Can you see that? Yes, we have it here. And can anyone tell me how many seeds are there in this watermelon? Watermelon have many seeds. So I'll just join them like this. So now we have the last fruit. Can you identify this fruit? It's peach. So can you tell me where is the half peach? Here it is. And I'm using a pink color pencil. So you are going to match it like this. You can use any other color also if you want. Clear everyone? So what we have done? We have done the matching work. I have used different colors so it is easy to identify. One orange line, red line, yellow line, and like this you can also revise the topic of colors. Clear? Now moving towards today's homework. So after page number 49, completing your classwork, move to the next page, that is page number 50. And this is your homework. So first thing is we are going to write today's date, 10th August 2020, and this is your homework. Clear everyone? So now it is saying who is the guest. Circle the fruit that is different in each set. Now we have been given 4 sets and you have to circle that fruit which is a guest here, मतलब जो बाकी से match नहीं कर रहा है. So we have 3 apples and 1 half apple. So can you tell me who is not matching? This half apple. So we are going to circle it like this. Understood how you have to do your homework? So rest of the 3 to be done by you. Is that clear to all? Okay. So class, I hope you have understood how you are going to finish your today's work, classwork as well as homework. So the thing is to understand the topic, you have to eat fruits. Fruits भी खाना है, पढ़ाई भी करनी है और fruits का topic भी अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. Clear all? So eat lot of fruits every day. Enjoy your learning. Be safe. Be at home and keep learning. Till then, now just get ready for the next class and hope to meet you soon with the new topic of EVS again.